In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix Instagram live option not showing. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is check for app update. Navigate to App Store or Play Store. Then search for the app Instagram. Once app appears, if you find the option update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. The live option sometimes disappears if you're using an outdated version of the app. Next thing you want to do is open Instagram and check the camera section again by swiping right from the home screen. Sometimes the live mode is there but not visible due to a temporary glitch, so closing and reopening the app can help refresh it. If it's still missing, log out and log in back to your account. Go to Instagram profile, click on three bars, scroll all the way down, click on the option log out and confirm it. Wait for a few seconds and log in back. This might resolve the issue. Another important step is to check your account status. If Instagram has detected any policy violations or restrictions, certain features like live may be temporarily disabled. Go to account status page. Now from here you can check that. You should also try clearing the app cache if you're on Android, or reinstall Instagram completely if you're on iPhone. This removes corrupted data that can hide features. If nothing works, it's also possible that Instagram is rolling out the live feature gradually in your or on your account type, so not everyone gets it at the same time. That's it. If this guide helps you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.